Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you Google Chrome not working in Windows 10 fix. So guys, if you went to Google Chrome not working in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. This icon, right click, after click on properties. After click on compatibility, click on run this program compatibility mode 4. Click on add. After click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you went to Google Chrome not working in Windows 10 fix, that is. So guys, this is very quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.